Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to talk about the biggest problem for most English learners. It's not grammar, and it's not vocabulary. It's fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, and fear of not being understood. Do you ever feel this way? You know the words, you know the rules, but when it's time to speak, you feel nervous and your mind goes blank. Why does this happen? The reason is simple. Your brain is a perfectionist. It wants everything to be perfect before you say it. But in real life, speaking isn't about perfection. It's about communication. The secret to speaking English with confidence isn't about learning more words. It's about changing your mindset. It's about accepting that mistakes are a natural and necessary part of learning. Part 1. The myth of the perfect speaker. Let's break down a big myth, the idea of a perfect speaker. There is no such thing. Think about it. A child learning their first language makes thousands of mistakes. They say things like, "I goed to the park," instead of, "I went to the park." But do we laugh at them? No, we celebrate them. We celebrate because they are trying. You need to treat yourself like a child learning to speak. Every mistake you make is a sign that you are trying. It's proof of progress. So the first step to confidence is to embrace your mistakes. Stop being so hard on yourself. Your fear of mistakes is a habit. It's a habit you need to break. And just like any habit, you can replace it with a new one, the habit of being brave.
Part 2. The 2 tools to build your confidence.
So, how do you become brave? How do you overcome the fear of speaking? We're going to use 2 simple tools. Tool 1, the mirror. I want you to use your mirror as your speaking partner. Stand in front of your mirror and talk to yourself in English. Don't worry about being perfect, just talk. You can talk about your day. For example, I woke up at 7 a.m. I drank coffee. I feel a little sleepy today. Why does this work? First, your brain starts getting used to hearing your own voice in English. This is a very important step. Second, you can see your face and your body language. You can see yourself smiling, using your hands, and looking confident. This helps you feel more comfortable. Tool number 2, the mistake diary. Get a small notebook and a pen. Whenever you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Instead, write it down in your notebook. Don't write the correct answer yet. Just write the mistake. For example, if you say, "I goed," just write, "I goed." At the end of the day, look at your mistake diary. Think about why you made the mistake. Maybe you can look up the correct word or grammar rule. This helps you learn from your mistakes without feeling embarrassed. You are turning your mistakes into lessons. Part 3. Practical exercises to be brave. Now, let's talk about some real-life exercises to practice being brave. 1. Talk to an object. If you're too nervous to talk to a person, talk to an object. Talk to your coffee mug. Tell it what you are going to do today. Talk to your plant. Tell it about your feelings. It sounds silly, but it's a safe space to practice speaking without any pressure. 2. The 3-sentence rule. When you have a chance to speak to someone in English, just try to say 3 sentences. Not 5, not 10, just 3. This is a small, achievable goal that builds confidence. For example, if someone asks how you are, just say, "I am fine, thank you. I had a good day. It was sunny today." After you say your 3 sentences, you have succeeded. You can then stop and feel proud of yourself. 3. The question strategy. If you're in a conversation and you feel nervous, just ask a question. For example, if someone tells you something, just say, "Oh, really?" or "What happened next?" This keeps the conversation going without you having to say too much. It's a great strategy to build confidence slowly. Part 4. The mindset of a fluent speaker. The truth is, fluent speakers aren't people who never make mistakes. They're people who don't let mistakes stop them. They're people who have learned to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Think of it like this. Your fear is a small monster in your mind. Every time you speak English, even just one word, you are feeding your confidence and making that monster a little smaller. The road to fluency is not straight and smooth. There will be bumps, there will be stumbles, but every time you speak, every time you try, you are moving forward, you are on the right path. So don't wait until you're perfect to start speaking. Start speaking today. Be brave, make mistakes, and learn from them. Your confidence will grow, and one day you will find yourself speaking English naturally, without even thinking about it. Conclusion: your first step to freedom. So, what is the one small step you will take today to be brave? Will you talk to your reflection in the mirror? Will you write down a mistake you made? Tell me in the comments below. Let's make this our first step to speaking with true freedom. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and lessons. See you next time.